So this is my Nissan Frontier. It's a 2007 Nissan Frontier, and this is my problem that a few days ago I came to start the vehicle, and this is what I got. All the lights coming on, everything seemed to be in order, and at the end of it all I had to tow the vehicle home. When I turn it on, you can see right here it's in drive, right here. Even if it's in park right here, you can see I have stuff removed there, but that's where I'm going. But you can see it's in drive right there, and the gear shift can move freely. So a friend of mine came by and we found out that the problem is really this cable right here. That's what, there's a small kind of plastic, and I'll show you right in a while, a small plastic right here, and that's what really broke off in there. It's somewhere in there somewhere, I don't know where he put it, but anyway, that cable, that's the problem. Now I went to, in order to get that part, they don't sell this part here. It's just a small, and I'll show it to you. This is it right here. So this is it. So this is the part that broke out. It's just a small white piece of plastic right here. That's what broke off. But in order to get that here, you have to buy the entire cable. This is the entire cable that you have to buy to put on there. You have to find a way to pass this through from the bottom, all kind of stuff and like that. And I'm gonna try to see if I can remove this. I hope it doesn't break, but I'm gonna try to remove this. And if I can remove it and put it in there, then I wouldn't have to take out this and go through all that and putting that in there. But that's really the problem. And I can drive it right now. So right now, if I need to drive it, you can see right here. If I need to drive it, I can come here and actually change my gear like this, and I can drive it. And if I knew I could do that, I wouldn't have to get it towed. Luckily, it was a free tow. So right now I'm in reverse, I'm in neutral, so you can see right here, I can change. So actually, I can go to park right now, and you can start the vehicle. And all this is done by hand, and I can go into reverse, and I can reverse if I want, and go back into park. So basically that's the problem right there. So I have to fix that, put it back, and that's it. So guys, this little insert there, this little plastic insert is what I want. I'm gonna try to take it out. I'm gonna give it a little bit of WD-40 just to give it some lubrication on there. And I'm gonna try to force it in without breaking it. So I'm gonna use a small screwdriver and just push it in. It's kind of rubbery. So I'm hoping I can push it under there and pry it out. I think I almost have it. Use the needle nose pliers to. Here we go, it's out. So we got it. So this is all we need from this, and let's go and see if we can put it in on the one on the truck. This cost me about $42 for this, and you know, if you have to take it to the dealership. So here we are in the truck, and here's the cable right here, and this is where we're gonna put it in. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of lubrication. Right, this is some WD-40, and I'm just gonna take this and see if I can just manually just take my finger and put it in. So I'm just going to use the end of the key right here just to push that part inside. Here we go. And it's in. Here we go. It's done. It took me less than 5 seconds, couple seconds to put it in. And that's the fix right here. Good to go. And just imagine I had to buy a cable for $42 just to get that penny piece of stuff here. So there it is. So we're just gonna put this back in where it's supposed to go. Let's put it back there. Connect this back where it's supposed to go, and we're good to go. So you can see now everything works. Everything is in place. Everything works. You're in park. You look on here and now your gear shift is not working, and that should last you another 10-11 years. So you're gonna get this and put this back, and then you're done. Guys, like and subscribe. This is Charlie. I'm out.